Hi there, it's Joy, and today we will practice our pronunciation again, but with new sounds. So we have TH, the. And we have T, 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 T. All right, now let's practice each pair. Are you ready? Here we go. Path, pant, path, path, pant, pant, path, pat, path, pat. Nice job. Next, bath, bat, bath, bath, bat, bat, bath, bat, bath, bat. That was great. Okay, let's go to the next one. Through, true, through, true, through, true, through, true. That was great. Next, both, boat, both, 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 boat, boat. Awesome job. Okay, last pair we have thank, 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 tank, 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 thank, tank, thank, tank. That was great. Okay, so now you will need to tell me what you hear, so listen carefully, okay? Let us do this. Tell me what you hear. So you're gonna see two words here, and just tell me which one you heard. All right, here we go. Pat, pat, pat. Which one is it? Which one is it? Yes, this one. That's great. Next. Bath, bath, bath. This, bath. Great job. Next. True, true. True. Yes, right here. Way to go. Next. Boat, boat. Which one? Okay, you got it right here. Boat, boat, boat. Last pair now. Whoop. You got tank, tank. All right, so this one, tank, tank. All right, guys, that was really good. You did so well. If you need to practice some more, you can watch this video again. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.